Join us as we take on the challenge of creating a budget that really works from scratch. Let's see if we can stick to it. Today, we're diving into how to create a budget that actually works, especially for beginners. Let's set the stage for financial success together. Many people find budgeting overwhelming and often give up before they see results. It helps to understand the common pitfalls that lead to failure. Budgeting is a learning process, and it's okay to make mistakes. The key is to recognize where things go wrong and make adjustments along the way. Creating a budget can feel daunting, especially if you've never done it before. You might feel like you're in the dark, not knowing where to start or how to make it work. But you're not alone. We often struggle with budgeting because we set unrealistic goals or try to follow someone else's plan without considering our own needs. It's essential to find a balance between being ambitious and being realistic. Budgeting isn't one size fits all, so it's crucial to find an approach that works for you and your unique financial situation. We'll explore practical tips and strategies for setting realistic goals, tracking expenses, and adjusting your budget as needed. Together, we'll learn how to make budgeting a simple and manageable part of life. Setting clear financial goals is the foundation of a successful budget. Breaking down your goals into smaller, achievable steps can make the process feel less overwhelming. Start by identifying what you want to achieve, whether it's paying off debt or building an emergency fund. Tracking expenses is another crucial part of budgeting. You need to understand where your money is going and make changes accordingly. Using a budgeting app or a spreadsheet can help you stay on top of your finances and make everything more efficient. The key insight is that budgeting isn't just about numbers. It's about aligning your spending with your values and priorities. Let's figure out how to make your budget work for you. Budgeting is personal, and it's important to reflect your values and priorities in your financial decisions. Your budget should support what matters most to you, whether that's saving for a big purchase or simply having money for things you enjoy. By prioritizing your spending, you can make sure your money aligns with your goals and what's meaningful to you. And remember, adjusting your budget is part of the process. Life is unpredictable, and your budget should be flexible enough to roll with the changes. In summary, a successful budget involves clarity, flexibility, and commitment. Keep these key points in mind as you move forward on your budgeting journey. If you found these tips helpful, check out the other videos for more financial advice. And be sure to share your budgeting experiences in the comments below. Let's grow and learn together.